Tonight's Pinpoint Weather is brought to you by Mission Federal Credit Union.
Speaking of football, Pat, you say that we may be heading a little bit closer to football weather.
A little bit for San Diego, that is. It looks like the next 2 days, we're going to cool down a little bit, which will be nice because temperatures have been rather warm around here, haven't they? But out in the desert, of course, it's always warm. Here's our time lapse out there. A few light little clouds, but not many. The high in Borrego Springs, 103. Currently, it's 95, and I'm showing you this one because even though the winds right now are light, at 7 miles an hour, we're forecasting winds to pick up, even gusting up to 40 miles per hour overnight in the desert and in the mountain passes and canyons. Currently, still in the 80s here in a lot of the eastern inland valley areas, and we're cooling off a little bit here in the mountain areas. You can see Mount Laguna just fell down to 63. Palomar Mountain just fell down to 65, so cooler there as well. And out in Borrego Springs, 99. Campo, where the fire is burning right now, 81, and that tends to be one of our windier spots. I'll show you the winds in just a second. Look how much cooler than this time 24 hours ago. That is going to continue the next 2 days, and the reason why is we've got a couple troughs of low pressure. One you can see rotating here, another one up here in the North Pacific, and how they're going to affect us is several reasons. They're going to increase the onshore flow, so that is also going to bring in a northwesterly swell, so big surf mostly in our South County. It's going to increase the low clouds and fog, especially along the coast in the night and morning hours, and that's what's going to get those winds going because everything's coming in from the west. Even down here in Campo, we're looking at sustained winds 15 to 30 miles an hour and occasional gusts up to 40. These are the wind speeds right now. You can see Campo at 13 miles per hour, but look at all the arrows, most of them coming in from the west. And as far as the wind gusts, right now about 18 miles an hour. But out here in the desert, like I told you, over 20 miles per hour out there in Ocotillo Wells. So we're going to be watching that overnight. Tomorrow, foggy start and then cooler, 75 below average along the coast. In the inland valleys, some of those clouds are going to make it all the way to the inland valleys because of that onshore flow. 81, becoming sunny in the afternoon. Out there in the mountains, 72, and gusty winds. The same for the desert. Lots of sunshine. 99 in Borrego Springs tomorrow. So for the next 7 days, you can see there's that nice cooler for the next couple of days, but not for long because then temperatures start to go up again. And looks like our hottest day is going to be Friday this week, 90, but that's a better hotter than 99 or 100 like we have seen, right?
So we have one more 90 in here.
One more? Well, we could have more than one more, Kim. October is also a very warm month.
Hopefully only one more.
But I like the way you think.
That's right. Got to stay optimistic.